Question 3. The diagram shows an empty measuring cylinder with the markings in millilitres. 320 millilitres of water are poured into the cylinder. Draw a line on the cylinder to show the water level. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is work out our scale. So we've got this as 0 down here, obviously. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divisions to make 100. So if 5 divisions are making 100, each small division must be 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, and we want to pour in 320 millilitres. So here's 300 and an extra division for the 20, so it's going to be by here. Oops. Not very pleased with that. It's a bit not very clear, is it? Let's do that again, because we want to make sure it's really clear for the examiner. We don't want to take any chances on our exam paper, particularly if they're marks we know we've got right. So there we are, okay? Then it says part B, a very small jug is filled with water. The water is then poured into the empty measuring cylinder. This process is carried out a total of 6 times. The final water level is shown in the diagram. How much water does the jug hold? Okay, so let's make sure we know the scale. Is the scale the same again? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yeah, the scale is the same, and we know that all together in this jug we've got 480 millilitres of water. Now, they got that 480 millilitres of water in the jug, in the measuring cylinder. I'm doing very well, am I? By pouring a small jug full in 6 times. So to find out how much the small jug holds, we're going to do 480 millilitres divided by 6. And so that's going to give us 80 millilitres. Okay, as I turn over, I think I need a glass of water. See if that helps. The water in the cylinder on the left is poured into the cylinder on the right, which already has some water in it. Draw a line on the right-hand cylinder to show the new water level. Okay, check our scales first of all then. So on this first, again, checking, is it the same? Yeah, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So it's going up in 20s. It's the same kind of cylinder as the other two. So looking on here at 400, 120, 40, 60, 80. So on 480 millilitres of water. So that's going to be poured into there. But first of all, let's check the scale on this one. Okay, the scale's different this time. If you look, it doesn't go up in hundreds, it goes up in 200s. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divisions for that 200. So that means that every small division this time is 40. 40, 80, 120, 160, 200. So every small division is 40. And it means that in here at the moment we've got, well, that's going to be 40 less than 400. So we've got 360 millilitres in there at the moment. Right, so we've got 360 millilitres of liquid in there. And we're going to add to it 480 millilitres. So I wonder how much we're going to have all together. 360 plus 480. Okay, 0 add 0 is 0. 6 add 8 is 14. 3 add 4 add 1 is 8. So we're going to have 840 millilitres of water in our cylinder. So let's look at it then. There's 800. And there's 840, so there it is. I'm going to do it with a ruler, because remember last time it didn't draw very well. Okay, so I've got a nice clear line. The examiner's definitely going to know where my water line is now. And in fact, I might even give it a little bit of a shade to make it really clear. I don't want to lose marks just because it's not clear enough, do I? There we go.